How to add debit or credit card on Shein account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. You will land to the home page. First thing what you want to do is select any of the item that you want to purchase. Here I'm going to select this one. After you select the item, just add that item to the cart. Tap on this option of Add to Cart. Now at the top right you can find this cart icon, tap on it. Now at the bottom right you will find this option of checkout, tap on it. Now you have to fill these. First you have to set your shipping address and then you have to select the payment method. From here you can easily select your credit or debit card. You have to check in for the option of credit or debit card in this way. You can fill all these options. If you have any voucher or points, you can just type in over here. After you check all the details, you can tap on the option of place order. Now at the top, you will find this section for card number, expiry date and CVV. Over here, you can just type in your card details, debit or credit card, likewise expiry date and CVV. So this is how you can add debit or credit card on your Shein account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.